Guys, the M5 is no longer here. What the fuck is up, guys? Damn, it's been so long. I honestly don't even remember the last time I vlogged. And yeah, a lot of shit has changed. It's been quite the journey, it's been quite the year, but I'm gonna try to be better about this. I'm gonna try to vlog more. One of my homies commented or really sent me a message. And it was short. It was rather short, and it was inspiring. I felt good, and it was just something that just motivated me. I'll share it with you guys. And mind me, I'm super sweaty. I just got home from the gym. It's been a hell of a day, but hey, we're here. We're happy. We're blessed. And yeah, let's get this video started. So as you can tell right now, the M5 is not here. So where is it? What's going on with it? And I know a lot of you guys probably clicked in for the clickbait, but the M5 is in Bakersfield. So the M5 is getting some work done in Bakersfield, Central Cali, whatever. It's getting ready for Beamer invasion, and I'm super psyched to show you guys. Yeah, I mean, I'm not even gonna say anything. I'm just super psyched to show you guys. So if you guys see it, if you guys go to Beamer invasion, say what's up and check the Beamer out. Here are some of the things that I'm getting prepped for invasion. So I got a lot of projects. Here is a carbon fiber spoiler. I have to ceramic coat it, obviously install it. I got this big ass lip that I have to ceramic coat. So, I mean, I got time, but it's gonna look really fucking dope. Here's just a better look at the stuff I'm gonna be installing, ceramic coating, whatever. This is all gonna go on before invasion. I'm fucking so psyched, man. This shit's gonna look so badass. So anyways, just because I don't have a lot of car content to share, I did wanna do a house tour. I'm actually pretty excited about it, and it's long overdue. It's almost been like a year and some change since I've owned the house. And yeah, the tour is overdue. So let's do a tour. Let's do a fucking tour. Let's go. Obviously, you guys already saw the garage. In this household, we don't use a front door. We use a garage. So this house has hella storage, a lot of storage rooms. Here, in the first store, we got the washroom. I mean, pretty basic, right? Let's see, keep going down the hall. This is the front door that we do not use at all. I mean, I'm telling you, we don't ever use this. We have an office for the first room. I mean, I don't really spend a whole lot of time in here. My cats do. My cats spend a lot of time on that chair. But this is the office. It's got the barn style doors. Pretty dope. I mean, it's a barn style house. We got the kitties saying hi. Say what's up. That's Cielo, that's Miko. Miko looks confused. Say hi, Miko. There you go. Anyways, back to the tour. Here we have one of the guest bedrooms. Nothing in here. I mean, literally nothing. Well, I mean, I say nothing, but no furniture, right? Well, I guess that's kind of furniture. But yeah, it's the first guest bedroom. It's literally a tiny bedroom, nothing in it, a closet, whatever, pretty basic. We have the guest bathroom. Pretty basic again, you know, 2 sinks, bathtub, whatever. Big ass mirror. What's up? Over here we got the other guest bedroom. This is usually where my family stays when they come over. I just got a bed, closet. Moving on, we have it's called a great room. So it's a combination between the kitchen and the living room. Just a big ass open space. I mean, I'll try to take more videos. The lighting in here is fucking beautiful. So when I'm filming videos, I'll show you where I film them, and the lighting is crazy. All natural lighting, of course. Except right now, I just turn on the lights. But this is where, surprisingly, I spend a lot of time. So, cooking, whatever, hanging out, chilling, whatever. But yeah, this is it. This is the kitchen, all new appliances. Pretty fucking sick, if you ask me. Little cute coffee station. I use it pretty much all the fucking time. Pantry, I got all the snacks, but I ain't gonna show y'all. This is a table that you guys are very used to seeing. A lot of good natural lighting. The white is just perfect for unboxing videos. You name it. I mainly do unboxing videos here. As you can tell, I have a bunch of products that I have to use in a video. So I haven't exactly used them yet. I don't have the car to film them with since I'm a car channel. You know, the car kind of comes in handy. I'm actually pretty proud of this next one right here. It's my backyard. Now, it recently got done. Kind of windy out here. Recently got done. Got turfed. Yeah, this isn't real. I know. I have a little patio. It's supposed to have a patio cover, but they haven't put it on yet. So it's actually pretty spacious. I got hella room over there to do something. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but yeah, this can actually, it's like 3,200 square feet, just a backyard. So it's not that bad. I mean, these fools love it. They love spending time out here, and they don't run away, so that's great. Here's just a better view at the great room. So obviously, living room, transition to the kitchen. Huge space. I mean, this is where the majority of the square footage in the house is. All right, drum roll. Moving on to where the magic does not happen, my bedroom. It's pretty fucking basic. I didn't really clean it up, sorry guys. But yeah, this is where I actually spend most of my time. So whether it be watching TV, chilling, obviously fucking sleeping, but yeah, this is it right here. Over here we got the bathroom. I mean, I love the bathroom. Do not judge me for my skincare stuff. I have a lot, I know, so yeah. Anyways, this is a bathroom. His and her sink. Pretty spacious. I mean, stand-up shower, not bad. The closet. I mean, I got hella shoes, hella fucking shoes. Then I got, if you guys know, if you guys follow me on IG, hella cologne. Comment which one of these colognes is your favorite. I have so fucking many. It's kind of absurd. I think I have a problem. But it's a good problem because, you know, who doesn't like to smell good? I'm recently starting to get back into shoes. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, that about does it. I know it's a very quick house tour / where the fuck is the car at. But if you guys are going to Beamer Invasion, stop by, say hi, take pictures of the car. Yeah, man, if you see me, just say what's up. I want to show you guys the M5. I can't wait for everyone to see it. Can't wait to meet everybody that's just been a huge supporter of the channel, of TikTok, IG, you name it. So with that being said, I'll see you guys at Beamer Invasion, and peace.